Intro music with Rome Tips logo. Host asterisk. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RomeTips.com. Today we're tackling a super useful trick, how to watch Netflix with a VPN on your iPhone. Ever wanted to access content from a different country? This is how. Screen recording of iPhone begins. Host asterisk. Alright, first things first, you'll need a VPN. Let's head over to the App Store. Host narrates screen actions. Host asterisk. OK, tap on the search bar and type in the VPN of your choice. For this example, I'm using IPVanish VPN. Pause. Host asterisk. Once you've searched for it, IPVanish should pop up as the top result, like this. Go ahead and tap the Get button. Mine shows a cloud because I've downloaded it before. Pause. Host asterisk. Once it's downloaded, tap Open. When you open IPVanish for the first time, you'll see this privacy screen. Tap Login at the bottom. Pause. Host asterisk. Now, enter your login details to sign in. Don't have an IPVanish account yet? No worries. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment for an exclusive discount. Pause. Host asterisk. Once you're logged in, you'll be back at the privacy screen. Choose an option, and it might prompt you for a tutorial. I'm going to skip it for now. Pause. Host asterisk. Tap Finish. Now it'll ask to create a VPN configuration. Tap Allow, and then enter your iPhone passcode. Pause. Host asterisk. You'll be taken back to the IPVanish app, and you're ready to roll. Now, let's say I want to unblock the US Netflix, and I'm currently in the UK. Host narrates screen actions within the IPVanish app. Host asterisk. Tap Locations at the bottom. Then, select the country you want. I'm searching for United States. Pause. Host asterisk. Found it? Tap it and then tap Connect. Give it a few seconds, and boom. You're connected to a US server. Pause. Host asterisk. Now, exit out of the IPVanish app and open the Netflix app. Host narrates screen actions within the Netflix app. Host asterisk. Sign in and select your profile. Now you can access the US version of Netflix, just like normal. Pause. Host asterisk. To prove I'm on the US version, see? It says Top 10 TV programs in the US today. Now, just select whatever you want to watch, and you're good to go. Pause. Host asterisk. And that's it. Easy peasy. Outro. Host asterisk. Remember to use the link in the description or the pinned comment for that exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to RomeTips.com for more awesome travel and tech tips. Thanks for watching.